Hi there, in this video we are going to learn how to send email through the Amazon SES SMTP interface using Python. We will be taking help from the AWS documentations for SES. I will provide the link in the description. Open this link containing sample code for sending email from different languages. For example, C Sharp, Go, Java, JavaScript, Perl, PHP, Python and Ruby. In here, select Python. Now this is the sample code provided by AWS which is written in Python. Copy this code and paste into your editor. Now we need to replace the example codes with our actual sender ID, sender name, recipient ID, SMTP username, SMTP password, host and port. Let's do it one by one. In order to change your sender, check your SES console for your verified email addresses. Here I have two verified email addresses. I'll be using one for the sender and one for the receiver. Let me change the sender and recipient ID. Make sure both the sender and recipient ID are verified. Let me change my sender name to knowledge transfer. Now to get your SMTP username and SMTP password, go back to SES console and click on SMTP settings. Here click on create my SMTP credentials. This will take you to IAM management console and will ask you to create one user. Now click on show user SMTP security credentials. This will give you your SMTP username and SMTP password. Just copy it and paste in your code. We are not going to use configuration sets in this video. We'll be discussing about it in details in our upcoming video. So let's comment it for now. Now check your host details from your SES console. Here in SMTP settings, you will find your server name. Just copy it and paste it in place of host. I'm going to leave port as it is. Now here it is using configuration sets. I'm going to comment it out, otherwise it will throw error. Now save the code. Now this looks fine. We can run our code now. If the email is sent successfully, we will get this message saying email sent. Here it is. Now let's go back to our Gmail account and check for the email. Here it is. We received the email sent from Python. Now go ahead and try sending email by your own. Thank you.